Hey guys, today I have with me the OPPO F19 Pro Plus. The smartphone offers a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 409 ppi and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. OPPO F19 Pro Plus has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you will find the power button. On the other side, the phone has a volume button and SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OPPO F19 Pro Plus comes with a quad camera setup with OPPO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OPPO F19 Pro Plus comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 800U chipset with 7nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. OPPO F19 Pro Plus offers a 4310 mAh battery powered by a 50-watt flash charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48-megapixel primary camera supported by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel mono camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera. The software version of the OPPO F19 Pro Plus is Android 11 with Color OS. So guys, that's it for OPPO F19 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching this.
Hey there, do you know what are Amazon renewed products? Of course, Amazon renewed products are refurbished products that are as good as new. These products have very less or no scratches or dents, backed by 6 months warranty provided by the seller. These products have been professionally inspected and tested by experts. Amazon renewed products come with all standard accessories and 6 months warranty provided by the seller. In case of any manufacturing defect, Amazon's standard replacement policy applies. These products are tested by experts, have very less or no scratches or dents, come with all standard accessories, replacement is allowed, and they come with a minimum 6 months seller warranty. You can save up to 50% on brands you love. Browse through thousands of smartphones, laptops, home and kitchen devices and other renewed products. Shop from Amazon Renewed, save money and enjoy hassle-free shopping.